Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to solve laptop battery not charging in Windows 10 for any brand. Let's go start. You can try these steps. Check the power source. Make sure the laptop is plugged in and that the power cable and adapter are in good condition. Check the charging ports, cables, and outlets. Make sure the charging ports, cables, and outlets are working properly. Now go to laptop screen. Click on Windows icon and open Settings. Navigate to Update and Security. Select Troubleshoot. Choose Additional Troubleshooters. Scroll down and select Power and click Run the Troubleshooter. If you see a message that no changes or updates were necessary, so close the troubleshooter. Again, go to the Windows icon, right-click, and go to the Devices Manager. Batteries, click. Right-click on Microsoft AC adapter and select Update Driver. Your device are already updated. Again, right-click on Microsoft acpi-compliant control method battery. Update, click and search automatically. Your device are already updated. Press the Windows key, type CMD, select and click on Command Prompt. Type here, power/battery report and press Enter. Copy the path. Go to this PC and open it and paste the address bar. If design capacity and full charge capacity are both same NWH, then your battery health is excellent. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon, click, and see your next updated video.